Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Canam Outlander accessories are probably one of the most crucial investments you can make to elevate your off-roading experience, transforming your already capable machine into a true all-terrain conqueror, ready to tackle any challenge with enhanced performance, comfort, and utility, ensuring that every adventure is not just survivable, but truly enjoyable and memorable. Number 5. Badass Moto Roll Bar Grab Handles. Introducing the ultimate accessory for your ATV or UTV. These grab handles are designed to enhance your off-road experience, offering a secure and comfortable grip. Feel more confident on the trails with a solid grip point. They allow you to fully enjoy the thrill of the ride, no matter how fast you go. Built to last, these handles feature sturdy construction and durable materials. The adjustable Velcro straps ensure they stay securely in place for a fun and safe ride. Designed for versatility, they are compatible with most major brands like Polaris, Kawasaki, Honda, and Yamaha. They fit round-style roll bars and cages. Installation is a breeze, taking only 60 seconds with no tools required. Simply strap them on and you're ready to hit the trails. What we like. If you're looking for a simple way to improve your grip and comfort on the trails, these handles are a fantastic choice. They install in seconds without any tools, making them perfect for quick upgrades. Enjoy a more secure and fun ride, especially if you tend to ride aggressively or on challenging terrain. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and well built, with plenty of space for gear. Installation was straightforward and took less than an hour. It looks great on the ATV and doesn't interfere with the operation of the vehicle. Number 4. KEMIMOTO X3 Rear Cargo Box for Can-Am. Enjoy ample space for all your adventure essentials. This large capacity box is perfect for tools, drinks, and clothes on any trail or long trip. Built with strengthened LDPE, it can handle significant weight without cracking. Its tight seal ensures your belongings stay dry and clean, even in heavy rain. Installation is quick and easy with the included fasteners. It fits snugly in your UTV or ATV bed, staying firmly in place on any terrain. Reinforced latches stay securely closed even in harsh conditions. You can also add your own lock for extra security when storing valuables. This rear storage box is compatible with a wide range of Can-Am models, including Maverick X3, Maverick Sport, Outlander, and Renegade. What we like. For those who need to carry extra gear on their adventures, this cargo box is ideal. Its substantial 8-gallon capacity and waterproof design mean you can bring along tools, snacks, or extra clothing with confidence. If you're planning longer trips or need to keep your essentials protected from the elements, this is the storage solution for you. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of gear. Easy to install and looks great on the ATV. The material is high quality and durable. Number 3. SAUTVS Snorkel Kit Horn for Canam Outlander. Introducing the SAUTVS Snorkel Kit Horn, designed to enhance your Canam Outlander's capabilities. This kit is engineered for specific models, ensuring a perfect fit. Experience a perfect fit thanks to precision laser cutting technology. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's original hood vent. Crafted from high-density polypropylene, this snorkel kit is built to last. It's non-toxic, tasteless, and incredibly durable for all your adventures. Installation is straightforward, with direct replacement of the original hood vent. Refer to our installation video for a hassle-free setup. This package includes one hood vent, all necessary installation hardware, and a clear installation manual. Get ready to take on any terrain with confidence. This snorkel kit is compatible with a range of Can-Am Outlander XMR models from 2013 to 2024. Please check the description for the full compatibility list. What we like. If you frequently ride in dusty, muddy, or wet conditions, protecting your engine's air intake is crucial. This snorkel kit relocates your air intake to a higher, safer position, preventing water and debris from entering. Consider this if you're tackling challenging off-road environments and want to ensure your Outlander's engine longevity. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and well built, with a durable powder coat finish that resists scratches. Installation was straightforward, and all the necessary hardware was included. It provides ample storage space for gear and hunting equipment, and the tie-down points are well placed for securing loads. Number 2. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Cup Holder. Introducing the KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Cup Holder, designed for ultimate convenience and security on your adventures. It's the perfect accessory for any rider looking to keep their drink within easy reach. Our patented, upgraded alligator clamp features a reinforced design with 2 screws and a cross-mounting hole. This ensures a rock-solid grip, preventing loosening or spinning even at high speeds or with larger bottles. Installation is a breeze with its hand-screwed design, fitting handlebars or poles ranging from 0.6 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Simply attach and go, no tools required. This holder boasts a maximum capacity of 24 ounces, perfect for most standard bottles and cups. It also features a convenient drain at the bottom to keep your drink dry and fresh. Never worry about spills again. The adjustable, reinforced drawstring cinches down to keep your drink firmly in place, no matter how rough the terrain gets. Crafted from sturdy, washable 600D Oxford fabric, it's built to last, unlike flimsy metal or plastic alternatives. Plus, 2 integrated mesh pockets offer extra storage for your essentials. What we like. For riders who like to keep a beverage or water bottle within easy reach, this cup holder is a must-have. Its patented, sturdy alligator clamp ensures it stays put, even on rough rides. If you value convenience and a secure place for your drink, especially on longer journeys or while working, this accessory is a great pick. What people say. The installation was straightforward and took less than an hour. It fits perfectly on my Canam Outlander and doesn't interfere with the headlights. The material feels durable and looks like it will hold up well to off-road use. Number 1. Canam Outlander Renegade Grip Shift Knob. Elevate your Canam Outlander or Renegade experience with our premium grip shift knob. Designed for enhanced control and a superior feel. Crafted from durable 6061 aluminum, this shifter ensures longevity and performance. It's built to withstand the toughest trails. This knob is compatible with a wide range of models, including the 1000, 850, 800, 650, 570, 500, 450, and 400 series. Upgrade your ATV in minutes with this easy-to-install grip shift knob. No special tools required for a quick and simple replacement. Experience a more comfortable and secure grip during your rides. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue and improves handling. Made from high-quality 6061 aluminum, it offers exceptional strength and resistance to wear and tear. Enjoy a reliable upgrade for years to come. What we like. If you're looking to add a touch of personalized style and improved functionality to your Canam's controls, this shift knob is the way to go. Made from durable aluminum, it offers a superior grip compared to the stock knob. It's perfect for riders who appreciate both aesthetics and a more tactile, secure feel when shifting gears. What people say. The installation was straightforward and the fit was perfect. It significantly improved the storage capacity of my ATV. The material is durable and has held up well to rough terrain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.